Has your roof recently been damaged by a storm? It can be challenging, but we're here to help. In this video, we will guide you through the essential steps to filing a storm damage roof insurance claim and get your roof restored. You can start by finding a reputable, local, licensed roofing contractor. They will inspect and document the storm damage using high-tech tools like iRoofing software that will streamline the claims process. If necessary, they can make temporary repairs to prevent further damage, but be sure to save your receipts of any work that you've done so you can get reimbursed. Then notify your insurance company about the damage as soon as possible, and be prepared to schedule and show a list of documented items so that you can ask them questions about your coverage, your claim processing time, and anything else involved. Make sure to collaborate with your contractor to ensure all damage is taken care of. The insurance company will provide a repair estimate and the funds necessary for the roofing restoration. Your contractor will then complete the restoration according to the agreed upon schedule. The payment process usually involves the contractor being paid once the work is completed. If you have a mortgage, the insurance settlement check will be co-endorsed, also with your lender's name on it. Your contractor may invoice your insurer for any additional funds owed for the extra work completed. Your mortgage company may conduct the final inspection to ensure that it's safe and satisfactory for the loan to proceed. In summary, dealing with storm damage can be difficult, but if you follow these steps, you'll be able to navigate the process with ease. Trust us with your insurance claim needs on your property, and you will save time and money and stay protected with homeowners insurance that will allow you to continue to thrive into the future. Contact us today for more information.